Right, I got one of these LeCreuset kettles, not cheap. Problem is, there's a little pin there, you can see that, and it holds this lever in place. And what tends to happen, that pin pops out all the time. You probably can't tell here, but there's a very tiny hole there where the pin is, and goes all the way through to the other side there, and that pin comes out. So what we're going to do today is we're going to attempt to fix that by putting a little blob of araldite just in those little recesses there, and that'll stop that popping out. So if anyone's got one of these kettles, that is the answer. Don't want too much of it. Part 1 and part 2. And there it is, all sorted. Just a little tiny drop in that pin. You can't even see it on the outside of the plastic. There you go, all ready for use. If you've got one of these kettles, that's the answer.